Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see standard 8th and subject science. In that, chapter number 11, chapter name is force and pressure. Main 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. 1 mark each. Number 1. Which of the following force is a contact force? A. Magnetic force, B. Electrostatic force, C. Gravitational force, and D. Frictional force. Answer is option D. Frictional force. Number 2. Force acting between two static charges is blanks. A magnetic force, B muscular force, electrostatic force, or D frictional force. Answer is option C, electrostatic force. Number 3. Magnetic force is a contact force, is a non-contact force. Contact exists, acts on only one object. Answer is magnetic force is a non-contact force. See the number 4. The strength of a force is expressed by its a magnitude, magnitude and direction, or a symbol. Answer is option A, magnitude. Number 5. State of motion of an object is described by A. Only position of rest, B. Only position of motion, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the given. Answer is option C. Both A and B means only position of rest also and only position of motion also. See the number 6. Muscular force is A non-contact force, a B a contact force, C an electrostatic force, D a frictional force. Answer is option B a contact force. Number 7. During dry weather, while combing hair, sometimes we experience hair flying apart. Which force is responsible for this? A gravitational force, B electrostatic force, C frictional force, and D magnetic force. Answer is option B electrostatic force. Number 8. The net force of an object is a zero if the two force acting on it is in A. Any direction, B. Same direction, C. Opposite direction, D. Sometimes opposites and sometimes in same direction. Answer is option C. Opposite direction. See the number 9. A fruit falls to the ground when it gets detached from the tree. It causes is a gravitational force, B frictional force, electrostatic force, D magnetic force. Answer is option A gravitational force. Number 10. Type of force where only attraction is found is electrostatic force, magnetic force, gravitational force, or frictional force. Answer is option C gravitational force. Now see the next page. If the height of water column in the container decreases, then pressure on the base increases, pressure on the base decreases, pressure on the base remains same. Initially pressure on the base decreases, then it increases. Answer is option B, pressure on the base decreases. Number 12. The area of head of a student is 225 centimeters square. The weight of air in the air column height of atmosphere above the head is 2250 Newton. The pressure on the head will be. So, answer is 10 raised to 5. Option B, Newton per meter square. Here you have to apply formula of pressure. Pressure is equal to force upon area. So we get the answer 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. Number 13. Equal amount of force is applied perpendicular to the four different objects. The area of these objects are 10 meters square, 20 meters square, 50 meters square, and 100 meters square. On which area will be pressure the maximum? So answer is 10 meter square. Now see the main two filling in the blanks. 1 mark each. Number 1. Pressure is equal to pressure. P is equal to F upon A. It's a formula. For a constant applied force F, as area increases, pressure decreases. Number 2. As height from the ground increases, the atmospheric pressure decreases. Number 3. The force exerted by a static charged object on another static charged object is due to electrostatic force. See the number 4. Like charges blanks each other. So answer is repel each other. Number 5. When the force act in the opposite direction, the net force acting is the difference of the two force. Number 6. Dropper and rubber sucker work on the principle of atmospheric pressure. Number 7. The cyclist exerts a blank's force on the pedals of cycle. Answer is muscular force. Number 8. The force existing between the celestial object is blank's force. Answer is gravitational force. Now see the main three. Answer the following questions in one word, 1 mark each. Number 1. An inflated balloon was pressed against the wall after it has been rubbed with a piece of synthetic cloth. It was found that the balloon sticks to the wall. Which force might be responsible for the attraction between the balloon and the wall? Answer is electrostatic force. Number 2. Give the name of the force which always opposes the motion. Answer is frictional force. Number 3. Where is the atmospheric pressure the least? Answer is top of the mountain. Now see the next page. Number 4. Where will be the pressure be more? 10-meter deep or 20-meter deep under the sea level? Answer is depth of the 20. Number 5. What is the distance traveled by an object in the unit time called? Answer is speed. Number 6. What is the force acting perpendicular on a unit area of a surface called? Answer is pressure. Number 7. Write the formula to find pressure. Pressure is equal to force upon area, or we can able to write down P is equal to F upon A. Now state the SI unit of pressure, the Newton per meter square. Here we can able to write Newton meter raised to minus 2, or we can able to write Newton per meter square, Newton upon meter square. Now we will see the main 4 in the next video, part 2. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.